I'm back for another vids. Piper, I'm live streaming. No, I'm not.
There's not a lot of cars.
I'm making a YouTube video right now on YouTube.
I want to go to a car show and then like get it like walk up like that and get like close-up shots and everything.
Look at that. Real life. I bet you $100. Not really. That is a real car that has been racing its whole life. Oh, look up there. Oh, there it is. There's the hot.
Yeah, my friend lives here.
Look over there. Denison. You know what it means. Oh, Denison. Look at that. Look at this.
Is this one of the cars from the
I've never seen one of these before. And that. But look at this. This is something you'll be driving with Scooby-Doo though. Are you gonna stream too? I'm not streaming, but I'm putting it on YouTube. That's really nice. Look at this. It's calming. Bro, if you call this number, don't tell me. Don't say the YouTuber said so. How you got your light on? My flashlight won't turn on. Look at that. Look at that though. He knows what I mean. Sorry for the light. I'm gonna go. What's a Jaguar? Oh, there's a Mustang. Oh, look at that. That bike.
The Mustang's
Vroom,
right there.
vroom, vroom,
The
vroom.
black 180.
I know. Vroom. And then the Mustang. Oh, there's another one. Actually, that's a Camaro. Mom's dream car. What's this place called?
River City Hills.
What is it for?
They do. It's a restaurant.
And they're just randomly having a car show?
Yeah, it's like every Thursday and all that.
Best Wings USA, bro. That's like, I live near Juke Squad.
Usually do like
I've seen Juke Squad, and he's seen Robbie. Oh, I'm still zoomed in. Derp. Eat your food, Johnny. You can't read it. But eat your food, Johnny. It says eat, by the way. You can't see that. Oh, yeah, you can. Derp. Oh, my God, look at that boy. Whoa. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, you can't see because I'm bouncing. Look at that. Ooh, look what I found. It's a hottie. That's what you'd be filling your car up with if you lived in dim ages. Woo, woo, woo. And then here's this car again. He knows what I mean. And if you look very far over there, woo! Let's just give you a seizures. Hey, yes, seizures. If you know what size means, I'd be looking at the car. They'd be million. Only if I could buy one on. Nice. And then here's the car we're driving. Good thing it's at a car show, best car ever. What's this mean, by the way? If you can read, you'll know where I live. Oh, no. Just a stamp. Well, look over there. Look over there. Is that seriously as far as I can zoom? It's trash. I mean, I'm recording on my first phone. You guys need some help, dares? I'm gonna end this video. Bye. See you on the flip side. It is what it is. First video out. No, it's not my my hashtag try the flip trip shot is. Nope. Can you scoot the freak up?
You have to sit over here, Aiden.
I'm not come back.
But you know what that means. I'll see you because it's black.